Hi, good day everyone. This is Vin. Welcome po sa NCR Rizal Properties. Okay, meron tayong reopen na unit. Actually, nabili na may nag-reserve na. Dati, ginagawa pa lang. O ngayon, nag-message yung owner na reopen daw po. So, ito. Binidyohan natin. Okay, so this is located in SSS Village, Panorama, Marikina. Hindi po binabaha even Ondoy, Yolanda o kahit ano pang major typhoons na dumaan. Kahit ano pa yan, wala pong baha dito. At hindi magkakaroon ng baha. Okay, so ito yung ground floor natin. Medyo mabilisan lang at may parating na buyer. Kaya nakiusap lang po ako doon sa ating caretaker. Right, so dito sa likuran is meron tayong service area. Hindi pa nabuksan. Right? So, service area and dirty kitchen po. Then, this will be your lanay area. So, ito yung setback dito sa may gilid. Straight going doon sa ating 2 parking space. Full details, pakicheck po sa description box. Isasama ko po sa posting. Right? So ito is your dito po yung ating kitchen area. Then meron tayong bedroom dito sa ating ground floor. So malaki po ito. So pwede yung actually pwede ito as guest room or adult room. Pero kung wala po kayong kasama na senior, ayan, maid's quarter, pwede po. Or kung wala pa rin pong kasambahay, office room, pwede. Okay? Then, meron tayong kitchen island dito sa ating kitchen area. A full toilet and bath. A common full toilet and bath dito sa ating ground floor. Right? So ito is yung ating dining and living area. Then yung ilalim ng hagdan is storage area. So kabisado nyo na yan. Halos lahat naman yata ng properties na binibidyohan ko, talagang ilalim ng hagdan is ginagamit nila as a storage room. Sayang din naman kasi talaga. Right, akit tayo ng second floor. We have 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. Of course, yung isa nasa loob ng master's bedroom. First bedroom, dito sa second floor. May cabinet po ito may cabinet. Hindi pa lang nai-install Pero meron po siyang built-in na cabinet. Second bedroom. And may mga provision for a window type aircon. Common toilet and bath. Kung sino yung mag-occupy dun sa 2 bedrooms na yon, so sila po yung gagamit nito. Mapansin nyo, meron siyang naka-shower enclosure. And then a small common space dito which is you can use as another room actually. Kung ipapa-enclose nyo, pwedeng office room or office area ulit. Or a family area. And then your master's bedroom. So, feature wall, and then katabi niyan, kung mapapansin nyo, ayan dyan po, yung ating magiging built-in cabinet. Of course, merong balcony, and a toilet and bath. Isa sa pinakang highlights talaga nito is yung location and yung community. Bukod sa hindi binabaha, very peaceful yung community dito. So, very rare yan, yung ganyan. Right. Tapos, price natin is 12.8 million po. Actually, 12.6, 200 pesos po, 200 pesos. 200,000 po yung ating miscellaneous fees, okay? That includes the transfer of title. And then, yung ating balcony. Pakita ko na rin sa inyo yung community. Oops, sorry. So, yung balcony. Again, ito yung space. Master's bedroom. Laki yan, yung master's bedroom actually. Balcony and yung community. Ganda ng community dito. Ito yung binabayaran talaga. Community. Pansin niyo yung street na yan. Diba? Maluwag yung street. Double parking, pwede. Alright? So, if interested po kayo, mag-message kayo. Nandiyan yung number namin, mobile, Viber, or WhatsApp. Available yan. Nandiyan ang ating buyer na mag-viewing. Okay? So, that's it. Again, my name is Vin of NCR Rizal Properties. Thank you for watching po. And God bless everyone. Bye-bye.